Hello again, this is Jax911 and this is the, if you like, introduction to my PC build. I'm building myself a computer to use at home and possibly for gaming in the future. So I'd like to show you the parts I'm planning to be using. So the first thing is the AMD Athlon 2 X4, so quad core processor, which is 3.1 GHz with 2 MB of L2 cache, but no L3 cache, but that can be expected for a very cheap, well, compared to most other processors, pretty cheap processor, which I'm going to be using. And along with that, I've got the Asus M4A88TD-V Evo motherboard. This is Extreme Design motherboard, which is compatible with my processor and Windows 7, which I'm going to be using in my build. If you'd like to see some unboxing videos of these two components, I've also got some of those on YouTube as well. As my optical drive, I've chosen a Lighton 24x DVD, multi-DVD recorder and rewritable, of course, to use. This is a SATA connection and power connection, so it's quite up to date. And so that's my optical drive. As my hard drive, I've chosen a Seagate Barracuda 500 GB sorry about this, I've recorded 3 other videos tonight. Hard disk drive, which is 7200 RPM, and this is also a SATA drive, so I'm going to be using that in my build as well. And for my RAM memory, I've chosen some Kingston HyperX DDR3 RAM memory, 2 sticks of 2 GB to use, which is compatible with my motherboard. And also some fans which light up, which I managed to scavenge from another computer which was given to me, which I'm probably going to use if they'll fit in my case. And the reason I say if I fit in my case, as you may have noticed, is I don't have as yet a case. It's not arrived yet. It's New Year's Eve today, 31st December, and it hasn't arrived yet. So when it does arrive, I'll post a video of, possibly an unboxing video, but a video of my case. And as soon as it arrives, I will start to build the computer and I'll record it for you. And that will be on YouTube hopefully within the next week. So this has been Jax911. If you've got any questions about the parts I've chosen or anything, then please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And at the end of the video I'll put all the specifications and the cost of the items.